Human bones are 5 times stronger than steel, but without the cushioning of muscles and cartilage, a simple sneeze could shatter our skeletons. Imagine the shock waves coursing through your body every time you sneeze. Your bones, capable of withstanding immense pressure, would crumble under the force if not for the protective embrace of our soft tissues. This intricate balance between strength and flexibility allows us to move, jump, and yes, sneeze, without falling apart. Our bodies are incredible machines, perfectly engineered to handle everyday stresses that we rarely even think about.